welcome to Toddler Crafts here at the National Marine Aquarium. My name is Summer and I run the Toddler Tuesday program here, and I've created a couple of crafts for you guys to do, hopefully using the resources you've got at home already. Now today we are going to make this cute little shark bookmark, and you can do loads of different designs other than this one here, but today we're going to be focusing on sharks, and these ones go right on the corner of your book, and it makes it look like he's eating the page, which is really adorable. So let's start off with our bookmark. Now to start, you are going to need these resources here. You can use some origami paper if you would like, but what I've done in order to create this shape here is folded a bit of A4 paper and then cut off the excess. Alright, so this is what you're going to need to start. So feel free to pause the video, get everything together, and then when you're ready, then continue and press play. So I'm going to start off with this bit here. Now, as I said, we are going to be doing a little bit of origami. Now, origami can be a little bit tricky. So to start off this one here, this is quite nice. We fold it in half. Alright, making sure your little corners line up like so. And then unfold it. Alright, and then fold it other way, like so, just to give us some nice creases, so we can help with our folding. So then fold it back again. Alright, so we've got our lovely little creases in the middle here. And when we're ready, fold it back over like this here. Now, I'm going to fold it this way here because that's the way I folded it before. Take your corners and fold them up like so. Alright, making sure we're pressing down on all our lines. So fold them up towards the little middle crease that we did earlier. So 1 and 2, like so. Alright, unfold it again. Take this middle bit here, so don't grab both, just grab one side and fold it back down so it meets this point here. Okay, fold across like that. Alright, again making sure our folds are nice and neat. And then we're going to take this corner and we're actually going to tuck it underneath this bit here. Alright, pressing it down again. Taking this corner, folding it up like so, folding it around and tucking it in. So we've got this little shape here. So this is the same shape that we've got. We now just need to decorate it. So let's start decorating. Now here, I've got a little bit of pink for his mouth. So what we're going to do is we're just going to glue that one inside. There we have it. So it's the inside bit of his mouth. I'm now going to glue some teeth on. So, and I've got a little bit of excess down here. That is all right. So I can just fold that over like that. There's our little teeth. Now we need a row of teeth for the top, so that's going to go up here. Glue so it's up the top like so. There we go, just make sure our teeth are showing. Now we're going to need some eyes. Like so. And then give them some little eyeballs. Oh, this one looks a little bit startled. That's okay. Cool, and then we've got our little fins. Now here, you might notice I've got a little square bit at the bottom, and that's just to make sure that we've got a big surface area to glue it on the back. And there we go, our own little sharky bookmark. Cool, so that is the end of our crafts. Keep an eye on this page for any new updates. We'd love to see what you guys get up to, so do post a photo below so we can see what you're getting up to at home. And from everyone here at the National Marine Aquarium, please do stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.